So I'm making my shrimp and rice. I have to be honest, I don't have the time of day to get raw shrimp and devein it and all that. So I want 5-minute meals. And I want them to be healthy too. So what I do is get the shrimp that's cooked. And you can get small, medium, or large, whatever size you want. And then I rinse them in water so the bubbles are off the top. I should have recorded that, but I didn't. I like to rinse the shrimp really good to get some of that slimy stuff off that's been, while it's defrosting, some of the old water, and it just gets more fishy if you don't clean it. So I rinse it really good, and then I take the tails off, and I just pinch the tails off and put those in here. And then when I do that, I'm going to add my garlic. I have some garlic chunks that are already cut up here with a little bit of juice, and then squeeze some lemon in there, and then I pour the melted butter on top, and then I let that sit for a few hours because I'm not ready to cook it yet. Or I could cook it right away, but when I'm busy, I just cook it or let it soak for a couple hours rather. Okay, everybody, what I'm talking about is you just grab a piece of shrimp and you just pinch the end off. It comes off really quick and easy because you don't want that when you're going to be stir-frying and sauteing them on the stove. You just want to pinch the end off. It comes off really easy. After I pinch the tails off, I rinse them again. Now after I've rinsed them, I'm going to add some lemon juice. And I want to make sure I put enough in there because it will absorb up into the shrimp. I'm going to get all that juice in there. I'm going to add, this is a large tablespoon, about that much garlic with a little bit, let me shake it around, just a little bit of juice in there. And I'll mix that up in there. Then what I'm going to do, the third thing that I do, is put some melted butter on there and mix it up. But I don't want the melted butter to be hot because I don't want to start cooking the shrimp or anything. I just want it melted and to put it on there because I do not want to cook the shrimp. Then I mix this up really good, put a lid on it, and put it in the refrigerator for whenever I'm ready to saute it on the stove. Oops, I almost forgot a quick side note. I added my my onion powder, salt, and pepper. So again, that's onion powder, salt, and pepper, and just spread it on top a little bit, sprinkled it on there, and I'm going to stir it up and put it in the fridge. Okay, everybody, it's time to cook the shrimp. I had gotten a pan out and put a little bit of oil in there, a little bit of butter or oil, and just get the pan hot. And we're going to cook this shrimp for 1.5 minutes on the stove in a hot pan. Here we go. Alright, there's my shrimp, my butter mixture with my garlic in there. And this is on medium heat, not high or anything. Okay, everybody, I cooked that for 2 minutes because my butter was a little too hard because I had it in the refrigerator. But you don't want to cook it any longer than 2 minutes because your shrimp gets rubbery and you don't want rubbery shrimp. Get this going here. Okay, everybody, now I want to show you what I did with the rice. After I cooked that rice, or after I soaked the rice, what I did was put it in the microwave. I covered it up and I put it in the microwave for 6 minutes. And I'm going to show you how I mold my rice. So I have a little plastic cup, and what I do is I dip it in the rice like this, and I pack it in there, and then I flip it upside down on the plate, and it comes out looking like that, and it's really pretty. And then I can put my shrimp around it. And sometimes if you want a little extra soy sauce, you can put that in there too. And I'll show you what that looks like, and I'll top it off with it. You can find it. There you go. And you're going to top it off with a little bit of soy sauce. And there's your garlic shrimp with your sticky rice and soy sauce. Happy eating, everybody. Arrivederci.